so we don't sleep outside.
Yeah, trying to get some stuff to like take it to like the pawn shop or either like went to the video game and said get a party, get us somewhere to stay.
We're just trying to gather items and then pawn it off.
Yeah, because we homeless, man.
I was told I could come here because they had personally banned us. I had talked to security, and they said that their Walmarts was separate than the other Walmarts.
Okay.
On the 24th of May 2025, a homeless couple was detained at Walmart for shoplifting. Loss prevention held them under the Shopkeeper's Privilege Restatement Section 120A, which permits merchant detention for a reasonable time pending law enforcement. That initial hold was valid. The officer's subsequent questioning is where issues arise.
Yep. Okay. You guys have IDs on you?
Is Mary coming with me?
Oh, I need the whole bag and everything.
Okay, I gotta go.
Okay.
It's fine. I'll just...
Why don't you just leave that and you just go on in and have a seat with him? I'll grab this.
And then do you have an ID, ma'am?
I don't know. I don't think I have my hand.
Can you pull out what you have in your... Hold on a minute. Do you have anything in your pockets? Or have somebody come search you? So if you have anything else in your pockets? Yep.
But if you could grab the chicken and the lighters.
Go forward and you took this to the back.
Is this bag from the basket? The bag's from here also. The bag that it was in? Yours?
So I would have any validation of that, but she says her, you know, how to say is okay.
I'm not lying.
That's why I just stopped. I was like, hey, we caught, man. You used to run and shit,
Good.
Your first page is like just put your trespass page.
So that's
It says it's hers.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, because if we would have gotten this, the first one would have been broke.
There's a whole other bag. There's two bags. They're not from here? Two matching bags that she...
So the thing is, she comes in with the blanket, so I can't verify the bag. That's the only thing.
Okay.
So, and then the next page is just your photo. One, this will be long.
This one bag. I'm just gonna try to pull all this stuff out and then maybe shove it right back into it. I guess I can still.
We can just throw it in that one.
They're gonna take all this
Yeah.
to draw up the receipts. Doesn't, as long as we can see what it is, what's going in there.
Oh, this is probably felony now.
Maybe it's on sale.
I don't know. This looks like a D felony right there.
The price tag on that thing? It's likely that she took these from here, but they said they can't come from here.
They're like brand new.
Maybe not. This was in there, so maybe they brought it with. That was just a little different time. Yeah. Yep, I think so.
So what's up with today, guys?
We homeless, bro.
Get on, so we don't sleep outside.
Yeah. Trying to get some stuff to food, like take it to like the pawn shop or either like rent a video game and say get a party, get us somewhere to stay.
We're just trying to gather items and then pawn it off.
Yeah, because we homeless, man.
Okay. Have you guys been caught doing this before?
Yes.
At Walmart and other locations?
Yes.
Alright. When was the last time that you guys have done this?
2 years ago.
Yeah.
2 years ago?
I got it on record.
Yeah.
Neither subject received Miranda warnings before detailed interrogation began. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436-1966. Custody plus interrogation triggers advisement. The test is two-part. Was the subject in custody? And was there interrogation? Confined back room, no freedom to leave custody had attached under the objective standard. Systematic questioning on prior crimes meets interrogation threshold per Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980. Both elements satisfied. All admissions carry a suppression risk at trial. Probable cause existed independently through LP's observations, but admissibility is vulnerable. Merchandise totaled $5.85 at the floor of chargeable retail theft in most state codes. In most U.S. jurisdictions, theft below $50, $100 is classified as a petty misdemeanor. LP could not verify bag origin due to blanket concealment, a prosecutorial evidentiary gap. Prosecution must affirmatively prove each item was taken from the store. That burden remains. Dispatch confirmed a nationwide Walmart trespass ban on the female subject. A served ban is enforceable at every location. A third party cannot waive it verbally. Criminal trespass, attached at the moment of entry, independent of the shoplifting count. The female subject's criminal exposure was compounded significantly before any theft occurred.
Do you have a nationwide ban on Walmart?
I was told I could come here because they had personally banned us. I had talked to security, and they said that their Walmarts was separate than the other Walmarts.
Okay. Alright. I'll have to double check on that, but our dispatch said that you have a nationwide ban on Walmart. Okay.
Who, both of us or just?
Her. You have one that has to be served, which just got served to you.
Oh, because if I'd known that, I wouldn't have even came here. But I was told this Walmart was different and they had a banjo. I don't know the guy's name, he's real tall. He works security here.
Okay.
And he
Some of
said
the black dude?
he's the white guy with him all the time.
Okay. How did you guys get here today?
The bus.
The bus? Okay. And then, did you guys bring those black bags that were with you guys?
Yes, sir. Those black bags are mine. I might even have my ID in there. I don't know if my wallet's in there or not.
Okay.
Or if I lost it.
Okay. So you came in here, get in the chair, put the bags under you, and then put the blanket over you, and then you guys started concealing items? Yeah? Okay.
The officer then faced a discretionary decision: cite-and-release or custodial arrest. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, custodial arrest for minor offenses is constitutional so long as probable cause exists, even at the petty misdemeanor level. The trespass ban elevated the justification for custody. The arrest was constitutionally permissible.
So they're gonna total up how much there is, and then we'll go from there. Okay.
Oh, sorry, not
Alright.
That's okay, I'm sorry.
Lovely.
Oh, I need pictures. Sorry, can I stand up real quick? With your help, please use it. And you don't have to stand up, just get one of
Previous
these.
steps for both of them.
Subtotal's 585, so threshold's 300. Alright, so that's what we're finding out right now from our supervisor on what we're gonna do. Alright?
Is there any way that I can just take it from?
I mean, I can see where you're coming from, but, so right now what we're finding out is if one, can we issue notices to appear, where basically you just go to the police department and get photographs, fingerprints there, and release you with the court date, or is it something that you'd have to go to jail, and then you would stay there until you saw a judge? I'd say, fortunate for you guys, if you do go to jail, it's Saturday,
I can't go
so
to
there's
jail.
court, there's holiday court tomorrow because of the holiday on Monday. So at best you'd sit there, or worst, yeah, you'd sit there till tomorrow morning. So if you're not there, how are you making ends meet?
Yeah. All right. You want to just
You know, ID.
cool. You want to just put your hands behind your back? For me?
I should have this in my pocket.
Nope. I'm gonna get it for you. Okay. Just put your hands behind your back for me. Okay.
Hey, don't give up, baby. Just, I mean, we got tomorrow, okay? We don't do this no more. Don't give up on me, man. Please, don't give up on life, okay? They ain't gonna get no better than that.
You guys will get phone calls once you get there.
I can't call her,
So-
so I'm just gonna text her real quick.
No, I'm saying once you get there, you'll get phone calls on their pay. They have
I
a
don't
phone
have
there.
no.
I don't believe you don't have to, you're allowed, they provide you with a phone. So as long as you know the numbers, or if you have them in your phone, they'll let you get phone numbers out of your phone also. So I would just say that here in a second, we'll let you send that text. But I'd encourage you to turn your phone off. That way it doesn't die while you're in there. But let this be the bottom, right? You gotta hit the bottom before you go back up, right? So let this be the bottom, and then everything, just gotta make better decisions, right? And I say that from,
I sit in your eyes, bro.
it's easier said than done, I get that, but we just encourage you to tell us now, otherwise you think it's
X-ray machines and everything like that.
if there was anything illegal or something like that, and you were to take it into the jail, that's additional charge.
Hey, you ain't been in trouble in forever. They letting people out of jail. So they caught with guns and shit. Like for real. Like Fred. Babe. Listen to me, okay? We gonna get out of jail, babe. Maybe I won't. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna get out, babe. It's not the end of the world. It's not. We gotta get our shit together, man. This is not what's up, babe. I gotta get my shit together, man.
Everything.
I mean, look, I don't mean to say, like, you know what I'm saying, on the plus side, there's some running water in that motherfucker to take a shot. I know it ain't funny, babe. Too much motherfucking roof over my head tonight. Yeah. Shit. Be honest with you, shit.
Grades. Responding officer, B+. Probable cause properly established. Professional and humane conduct throughout. Deduction. Miranda not issued prior to substantive questioning, a clear procedural error. Male subject, B. Cooperative, but waived right to silence without counsel present. Voluntary admissions on prior offenses and method created significant self-incrimination exposure. Female subject, B-. Active trespass ban compounded her exposure beyond the theft charge. A verbal assurance from store security does not constitute a legal waiver of a trespass notice. Walmart loss prevention, C+. Shopkeeper's privilege correctly invoked. However, on-camera admissions of unverifiable bag origin directly assist the defense. Key takeaways. Miranda advisement must precede custodial interrogation, not follow it. Remain silent during any detention. Voluntary admissions are rarely legally beneficial. A retail trespass ban is nationwide and location independent, absent a specific court order. LP must document the act of taking not merely the presence of concealed merchandise. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.